nice cardigan quad set, and see how nice it is. It has like straps. I don't know, it's called check. The blue and pink vibe, really classy. It's so fabulous, and it will go with this, and you can wear it with the trousers, black leather trouser, or anything that you have. You can wear it with the jeans also, blue jeans. Let's see how I will style this cardigan with this one. You can wear a nice kiwi, a high kiwi with this. And if you want, you can just open it and style it like this, or you can just close it. So this is the second way you can put on the cardigan, like this. See how classy it looks. The stylish and decent. Style it with the shoes. I got this shoes from Cardigan, and the quad set is from India. You can get the same quad set from Shein also. They have nice collection, and the high neck is from Urban Planet. You can get it from Urban Planet, H&M, anywhere. And this is my first look. I hope you guys liked it. See how nice. So it has pink and blue design also, this one. Wow, it looks so nice. And the check and the button. The button has design on it. It looks so nice. And this is a travel outfit also, because it has shoes. I wore it with the shoes. It will look comfortable while you are traveling. For the second outfit, I will style it with the leather joggers. For the second outfit, I have styled this cardigan with joggers, the leather joggers, and the filler shoes, the sports shoes. It will just match that. And this is the second outfit. The second one is the, see, you can style it like this also if you want. If you don't like the length of the cardigan, just do it like this, and it will make a nice stylish look of the cardigan. This is the outfit. For the third outfit, I will style with leather skirt, and I will wear a thermal legging. You can get it from Amazon. You can get this from Amazon. So this is my third outfit. It with this one. I have styled it with the shoes. I got it from the mall. I don't remember the name of the brand. And this is my final outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.